Stonelink Property Management. We're at 16 Susan Circle, South Kingstown, Rhode Island. It's a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom, townhouse style condo for rent. Starting our video tour right when you walk in. Private entry here. Closet space to my right. To my left there, you get the opening to the garage. Half bathroom here. Make our way into the kitchen. Plenty of countertop and cabinet space. Gas stove, built-in microwave, refrigerator. Little eating kitchen island here, the dishwasher, double sink, overhead lights, big open floor plan for the living room. Absolutely gorgeous. You do have private back porch, beautiful scenery. We're gonna make our way upstairs. To my right, got the larger of the 2 bedrooms. Easily could fit a king set. Big walk-in closet here. Gorgeous picture window. This faces the front of the house. We'll make our way down the hallway here. To my right, you got in-unit washer dryer. Closet there with water heater and extra storage. Full bathroom to my left with huge vanity, shower tub. Then you have bedroom number 2. Also big enough for a king set. Dual closet space here. I'd like to apply for 16 Susan Circle, South Kingstown, Rhode Island. Click that apply now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult will fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.